Hi, and welcome back to The Pampered Life. We are here with oncology esthetician Charlotte Dorsey. Hi, Charlotte, and welcome. Thank you for joining The Pampered Life.
Thank you so much for inviting me.
My pleasure. So tell me, what exactly is an oncology esthetician?
You said that so well. Most people say, what? What is that? What did you say? Oncology esthetician means I am licensed and certified to perform safe, comforting facial treatments on patients experiencing cancer. Now, that doesn't preclude me working on other clients with normal skincare needs, but this is a special certification just for that.
Now, when you talk about cancer patients, is it also for people that are undergoing treatment? They can have the treatments that you do, the facials?
Facial can be done on anyone that's newly diagnosed, anyone that's undergoing treatment, or in recovery. That's why it's a special certification, so that I know certain things about different areas of the body that other licensed estheticians may or may not have that information.
Okay. Now, why would a cancer patient want this treatment?
A cancer patient will be experiencing negative side effects from either chemotherapy, radiation, or just a cocktail of medication. So by coming to see me, they will experience a natural form of healing.
I don't have cancer, but I do wake up sometimes and I feel and I see my face is puffy. Can people that don't necessarily have cancer get these treatments?
Absolutely. These treatments are available for anyone.
So Charlotte, earlier I actually experienced your wonderful treatment, and I noticed that when you were doing the facial massage on me, first of all, there was a particular direction that you were starting from here to down here, and the second thing is that I actually felt that my face was kind of swollen before, and then it just felt, when we finished, it felt like it went back to normal.
Awesome, that's beautiful.
So tell us more about that. What magic did you do?
There's magic in the fingers. There's also magic in removing toxins from your lymph nodes. Again, you have lymph nodes that cover starting at the top of the head, down the center of your nose, underneath the eye, down the side of your face, behind the ear, down the side of your neck, crossing over to both sides of the décolleté and down the arms. The purpose of the oncology massage is to detoxify that area.
Tell us more about the ingredients used in your products, or the products you use.
I'm really happy to say that the product line that I've used is a combination of science and natural forms, such as honeysuckle extract, rosehip oil, broccoli. These things are very healthy.
You can eat them.
These are healthy antioxidants for your skin.
You said broccoli. She said broccoli.
I said broccoli.
I love that. So it sounds like whatever you can eat, you can put on your face and you don't feel bad about it, in a sense.
You know, that's so amazing that you said that, because whatever you ingest shows on your skin. So it's appropriate that your nutrition is where it needs to be.
Okay, now we talked about broccoli, and I also want to talk about macadamia oil or macadamia nut oil. What was it on the treatment that you gave me? It was heaven. That and the mist. You've got to tell us about those two.
Okay, it's a skin balancing oil that contains macadamia nut, jojoba, calendula, all natural herbs that smell good. And that's one of the key things with any facial. The first thing you're going to do is you want to smell the product. If it smells good, the first reaction is just what you just did. It's going to feel good.
I did, and it smelled so good.
It smells delicious. And it helps to balance out the production of oil or sebum. If you're oily or if you're overtly dry, it helps to normalize your skin. My process or my program is to bring your skin to a healthy state from the inside out.
Okay, that's wonderful. So from what we're talking today, and as I'm understanding, your products and services are good for people that have cancer and are undergoing treatment or have been diagnosed, but also for people that don't have cancer,
Absolutely.
but want to have something more than a regular facial, and
they want their skin fed nutritionally. They want healthy skin. They want their skin to be calm, and this is the absolute best place for that.
Okay, but now you can kind of get the same thing with a regular esthetician, but the detox that you're doing, the drainage.
That's a little bit different.
So
that
you don't get that.
That requires certification, and you have to have gone through it's MCMOE, which is the Marag Curran method of oncology aesthetics, to be certified as an oncology esthetician.
I've heard actually that there's a lot of celebrities that do visit.
If you want to be camera ready, this is where you come.
All right.
Absolutely.
That's wonderful. Well, thank you very much. It's been a pleasure having you on The Pampered Life. And thank you for spending some time with us. If you want more information on anything you hear or see on our show, log on to our website, The Pampered Life.